Hello, boys and girls. I've been invited to join you today to talk about a very important subject. Me! Who knows what type of animal I am? Right, I'm a fly. I'll bet most of you have seen lots and lots of flies, haven't you? I'm told that you find us flies rather annoying. So I'm guessing that you've swatted at one of my billions of cousins at least once in your life. I'm wondering just how much you really know about us. For example, did you know that I could walk straight up a wall? I'll bet you can't do that, can you? I have thousands of tiny hairs on my feet that act like suckers. I am a housefly, the most common type, but there are many other fly species on Earth. A species is a group of plants or animals that are alike in important ways. Horseflies, robber flies, fruit flies, gnats, and mosquitoes have many different species that all belong to the same group. Scientists group animals into different categories. What different kinds of animals can you name? Yes, fish, snakes, frogs, birds, and insects are just a few of the animal groups you know. Flies, like me, belong to the largest group of animals on Earth. Who knows which group is the largest? Insects. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and 3 main body parts. We flies are insects, and we share the planet with millions of other insects and many different habitats. Habitats are the natural homes of plants and animals. Can you name a few? Great. Deserts, forests, mountains, grasslands, and tundra are some you may know. During the next few lessons, some of my fellow insect friends are going to teach you lots of interesting facts about insects that live in different kinds of habitats. We insects live all over the globe, everywhere except the oceans. Insects can even live in some very cold or very hot areas of the earth. We'll start today by looking at meadow grasslands. Look out over this field of alfalfa. Do you see any animals in this picture? It just looks like an ordinary grassy field without much going on, doesn't it? But don't be fooled. This field is teeming with life. If you sat down in the middle of this meadow and closed your eyes, you would likely hear birds singing, but you might be completely unaware of the often silent, hidden world of insects all around you. Many insects depend on plants to live. Many insects eat plants, and some lay their eggs on plants. The plant on which an insect lays its egg, and which provides food for its young, acts as host and is called a host plant. A host is a plant or animal on which another thing lives. Each host plant attracts different types of insects. Many insects would die without their host plants because they have developed very specific diets needed to live. Many meadow plants attract grasshoppers. Grasshoppers feed on the leaves and stems of the alfalfa plant. Harder to find is the tiny leafhopper. Harder to find is the tiny leafhopper. But this wedge-shaped insect can slow down the plant's growth, turning it brown as it sucks nutrition from its host plant. Turning it brown. Sorry. Many insects, such as these tiny aphids, can damage entire meadows.